USB computer microphone MAONO, the GM30 Plug&Play Omnidirectional Condenser PC mic with mute button. One of the things I'm looking to the mic when I'm testing mics is make sure it has a good sound. Another thing, it has a good gain. I don't have to go and scream myself out. And right now I'm talking pretty much soft volume and you can hear it nice and clear. Now the type of mic we have today, this one is good for gaming, but not only for gaming. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, Twitch, or maybe you need it for a conference call, a Skype call, that will be the perfect mic. And once again, another benefit too is I don't want to be looking for controllers or anything. You want to plug it in and make sure your Mac or your Windows detects this in 1 second without any worries about. So one of the things I like about this mic is I plug it in, it took an extra second to detect it, and then I have to do anything special. And I'm going to show you my control panel on my Windows. As volume wise, you guys here, it has a good gain and good input. Now one of the plus thing too, it has LED lights, so it looks pretty cool at night if you're gaming or if you're running a nice desk. And you can mute and control the gain out of this mic, and even has an output for headphone if you want to use a headphones right to the mic. I like the USB cable. It's not a plastic one, it's a nice fabric USB cable, so it's not going to break. It's more pro than use the plastic version. So let me change cameras now and you can see this with a bit of detail. So now we see the mic, it has a nice LED right over here. It moves with no problem. As you see, even I move it, the volume is still real good. So now one good thing is we can control the gain from here. So this is the minimal gain. We can go up and we can hear now my volume goes up. Now you don't want to go all over 100% because it will be too much gain and your sound of the voice will be distorted. So you have to find the nice sweet spot. But I would say even that at the minimal level is perfect. Now we see this light. It light up right now. If I press this button here, if you hear it was a mute. So that's the thing. Let's say now that you're in a conversation with your friends over the net, somebody comes in the room and they want to say something to you, just click here. If you notice, everything went mute, so I have the mute button. Now right on the side we have the nice LED lights. It keeps changing colors, becomes blue. See right now blue was green, red, pink. But if you feel no light pop up right now, you can just turn it off and it's done. But I like it with the light. And like I said, cable is black and blue, so nice, and it's not plastic, it's the fiber. So that's one good thing about. And it was simple to detect. It even give you all the instructions, but for me, I even have to look the instruction. I just plug it in my computer detector. I'm using to record the software right now, Wirecast Pro. I just went to my Wirecast Pro and I just said, hey, use this driver, use this controller, and right now I'm recording this video. I want to change the screen so I can show you what it should look like in a Windows 10 machine. Alright, so when we open the control panel from Windows, the sound, we can see the sound output. And as default right now, it chooses my mic. But we can go back and choose your speaker, use whatever you want. In my case, I use this, my mixer. And my input is the Falcon here, basic mic. You will see the name of the manufacturer right there. And we can see there the volume. And if I start going up, we can notice now we got more gain, right? We can show that on the screen. But there's nothing to do here. The only thing you have to do is choose your default mic. That will be this mic right now. And if you want to choose this or use your regular speaker as an output or headphones, whatever you want to use, and it's done. As simple as that. No control is needed. It will detect it in 1 second. Alright guys, so technically, if you're looking, like I said again, a mic to set up in 1, 2, 3, this is the one.